Good evening, everyone. So, before, kumusta po ang araw nyo? Um, kumusta po yung araw nyo? Nakasama nyo ba yung family nyo? Nakapunta ba kayo ng sementeryo? Ano pa man dyan? Ano po ba yung phase na to? Bakit kailangan natin i-discuss si AC circuits? Ano po ba yung kahalagan nitong phase na to sa isang sarkito? Okay? So, dito ang definition, ang phase H 360 degrees circle is identical to every other. The wave can be imaginable shape, but as long as the polarity reverse periodically and as long as every cycle is the same, the wave can be called a true easy. So, parang ganito yan. So, alam naman natin kung ano yung pag sinabing AC, ano yung signal na makikita natin dyan. So, it's either, so isa lang ang makikita natin dyan pagdating sa AC signal. So, kunyari, mayroon tayong ganitong signal. Okay, so, itong signal is representation of alternating signal. So, nagbabago siya periodically. Okay? Pero kung ang pag-uusapan natin is the polarity reverse periodically and as long as the cycle is the same, so ito na yung sinatawag nating AC. Kumbaga, meron tayong diyang peak value. Okay? So, ito ang voltahe. Ito po yung time. Dito po is pag-usapan natin yung instantaneous voltage. Ano nga ba itong instantaneous voltage and current? Pero dito sa presentation natin is instantaneous voltage lang muna. So, ano nga ba itong instantaneous voltage? So, dito, meron tayong, sa figure na to, is meron tayong sine wave, isang period, and yung frequency niya is 1 Hz. So, dito, itong signal na to, nag-start siya from 0, and then at any point, meron siyang equivalent amplitude. So, every instantaneous point of this signal, meron siyang corresponding na voltage. Okay? So, dito, sa highest point, and if we are going to plot this at time equals to 0.25 seconds, so ano nga ba yung voltahe natin dyan? So, mapaplot natin yan. At time equals to 0.5, so ang signal natin nandito na nagko-cross na siya from 0 going to a negative signal. So, at this point, mayroon siyang t, yung time is equals to 0.75. And then, as we complete the cycle at 360 degrees, meron siyang 1 seconds. So, yung period, 1 seconds, and yung cycle, 360 degrees. So, isang revolution yun. Okay? Bakit ba natin kailangan i-discuss itong vector diagrams and phase relationship ng signals? So, ito po ay mahalaga para po sa ating kaalaman pag nag-start po tayo ng AC circuits, no? Saka yung phase relationship ng voltahe at saka yung kuryente. tsaka yung current. So, dito meron tayong apat na relationship pagdating sa vector and yung angle niya, yung angle. So, dito sa A, sa figure A, so makikita natin yung X and Y is naka-in phase. So, let's say for example, ito yung voltage, ito yung current natin. So, makikita natin is naka-in phase sila. So, kung ipa-plot natin to, yung signal na yan, naka-in phase, so nakaganyan, ibig sabihin yan, magkasabay lang sila. Kumbaga, kung ano yung frequency, ano yung amplitude ng signal, magkaparehas lang po sila. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa B, meron dito yung X natin nasa 90 degree at saka yung Y natin is nasa 0 degree. So, kung ipa-plot po natin itong signal na to, meron po tayong tinatawag na phase separation by 90 degrees. So, let's say for example, itong X na to is yung voltahe at saka yung current is Y, denoted as Y. So, meron po tayong based dito sa relationship ng phase, based po dito sa phase relationship, so mayroong 90 degree separation. So, dito, ito yung what we call, yung current. And ito naman yung voltahe. So, meron silang 90 degree na separation. So, ito 90 degree ito. Okay? So, ito yung X, ito yung Y. Okay? So, ito yung, let's say for example, ito yung voltage at ito yung current. So, sinasabi lang dyan na yung current is 90 degrees behind by a voltage. And dito naman po sa figure C, makikita natin dito na yung current ay yung voltage at saka yung current is anong tawag dyan? Naka 180. So, kung i-compute natin tong angle na to, 180 yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, pag plinat natin po pag plinat natin po itong signal na to, na sinasabi na 180 out of phase, so, ang signal po natin na may do-draw is ganyan. Yan. Parang ganyan po sila. Yan. So, makikita natin is ito is 180. 180 out of phase, ibig sabihin itong signal na to is magkasalungat po sila. Okay? So, dito naman po sa figure D, sinasabi dito na yung X log Y by 90 degrees. So, for example, ito yung voltage natin at saka yung current natin. So, pag plinat po natin yan, yung phase relationship nila, so, ito po yung voltahe natin at ito po yung current natin. So, 180, no? 90 degree. So, pababa pa lang yung current. Okay? So, yung current natin is paakyat pa lang yung voltahe natin, pero yung current natin pababa na. So let's say ito yung X natin, ito yung Y. Okay po. So kasi itong kuan na to, itong discussion na to is kumbaga this is the prerequisite before we discuss AC circuits. So sa AC circuits meron tayong tinatawag na meron tayong mga reactance, capacitance. So this phase relationship is very important for us to identify kung ano po ang ibig sabihin ng mga to. Okay, so next video we will tackle about the capacitive and inductive reactance. Thanks for watching.